wonders of nature. In fields of green and skies of blue, Mother Nature's hug, warm and true. Her trees are like arms that reach the sky, giving birds a cozy place to fly. Beneath the sun's warm golden light, flowers bloom, colors shine bright. Butterflies waltz in gardens fair, painting rainbows in the air. Mountains stand like giants tall, guardians of nature, strong and all. Their whispers echo through the day, guiding creatures along the way. Beneath the moon's soft silver gleam, stars twinkle in a cosmic dream. Nighttime hums a soft lullaby as sleepy creatures close each eye.